I didn't know this went around twice either.
Yeah.
It's a great ride.
I've been on this twice, and neither of those times you could do it.
I think since it's early in the morning still, it's a little bit on the slower